Hello everyone, in this part we're going to see how to create, save and open projects in VideoPad. There are different ways to do that, so let's begin. To create a new project, first start the VideoPad and then welcome screen. Here, click on new project, or if you skip this dialog box, still you can see VideoPad start a new blank project. If you are working on a project and want to start a new one, for that, on title bar click on new project. If you want to save the current project, click on Save button or click on Discard. Or to start a new project, click on Show Full Menu icon and click on File menu and click on New Project. Or you can use shortcut keys to start a new project. For that, hit Ctrl and N key on keyboard. Now let's see how to save the project. For that, on title bar click on Save and go to the folder where you want to save the project. Give the suitable name and click on Save button. Or on Home tab click on Save Project. Go to the folder where you want to save the project and give the suitable name and click on Save button. Or click on Show Full Menu icon, click on File and click on Save Project File. Or you can use shortcut key to save your project. For that, hit Ctrl and S key on keyboard. If you want to save same project with different name, for that, click on Show Full Menu icon, click on File and click on Save Project File As. Give it a name and click on Save button. Now let's see how to open the project. When VideoPad starts and shows welcome screen, under Recent Project list, click on the project name which you want to open and click on Open button. But if you are working on a project and want to open another project, for that, on title bar click on Load Media or Project icon. Go to the folder where you have saved the project, click on the name of it and click on Open button. Or on Home tab click on Open. Click on the name of the project and click on Open button. Or click on Show Full Menu icon, click on File menu and click on Open Project. Or you can use shortcut key to open the project. For that, hit Ctrl and O key on keyboard. Click on the project name and click on Open button. So using these different ways, you can create, save and open projects in VideoPad.